Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really nice Porsche Boxster S. This car has been maintained to the nines from the beginning. It's finished in just beautiful silver with a dark brown interior. It's the S model. We have books, we have records. It's just, if you want a Porsche Boxster, this is kind of the one you want for sure. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to take you under the car, and actually first I'm going to take you for a ride in the car, so buckle up. This Boxster just gets down the road so quickly and so smoothly. It's just wonderful to drive. The interior, it's just practically like brand new. It's immaculate. You can tell this car has just been garaged its whole life. There's no scuffing or marking on the steering wheel. The bolsters are nice and tight. Everything is in just such great shape in this car, and it's so nicely equipped. It's got this beautiful stereo system with the Bluetooth and everything else, full wrapped leather steering wheel. Just a real pleasure to drive this car. And the S just has such incredible handling with all the tuned suspension. It drives so much differently than a non-S car. Oh, wow, this thing goes. God, it's so brutally fast. It's like driving a slot car, and it just sticks to the road like glue. All right, so there you go. Anyway, if you're on a third-party site checking out this beautiful Boxster, make sure you get over to my website, Left Coast Classics. Left, opposite of right. Not my politics, just my location. Anyway, if you go over there, there's a secondary slideshow with at least a couple hundred more photos. And you're obviously watching the video, which, by the way, if you're on YouTube, if you could click like and subscribe and maybe even the notification bell, it might, you know, I'll be driving cars you may not particularly want to buy, but it's kind of cool because we're constantly taking rides in new different cars, and you can kind of see what that's like from afar. Also, check us out on all the social media sites, and 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. I hope we have more coming. And the first one was back in the Ed China days. It was an old 57 Ford Thunderbird. I think we filmed that in 2013. The next episode was 2018, and it was a really cool 1972 Lancia Fulvia, a red one. And the last episode was really interesting and really different than the other episodes. And we filmed that last August August of 2020, and it aired on Motor Trend in December, I think, of 2020. That was a one-owner Triumph TR4. It was such a great car, and it was a little bit of a different kind of episode. I actually worked with Mike together, and we got the car running. So those are great episodes, and Wheeler Dealers is just the best car show in the world. So check all those out. If you have any questions, my number should be somewhere, wherever my web guy puts it, down there, in the description. Check out the website again, Left Coast Classics, and you can always call or text me anytime. I'm pretty accessible. All right, thanks for checking out this cool 2010 Porsche Boxster S. All right, let's head onto the Boxster, and no surprise, I mean, it's just immaculate under here. Super nice shape, no damage under the car. You can tell it's been driven properly, but look at all the floor covers are in great shape. Looks great under here, super clean. So I thought, while we got it on the rack, why don't we just show you this? This is really cool. The wheels are in great shape. They don't have any curbing anywhere on any of them. And of course, this is all original paint down here. And you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the 3M coating here on the wheel wells to protect it from rock chips. But the wheels are just fantastic. Go around to the other side. You see that one, no scuffing on the rim there. And the front driver's side wheel also super clean, nice. Good shape. Coming around the front, the valance looks good. The bumper skin, though, expect the usual. You know, there's going to be a little bit of scuffing under here because it's low to the ground, and that just happens, but it's not visible until you look under. So there you go.